As you can also see, I am totally unable to entertain anyone at the moment. I'm quite embarrassed. Embarrassing. But I should have this cleaned up by tomorrow. So let's take some time to catch up soon. Meow. Hopkins is loose. It's nice of you to stop by, but I'm kind of preoccupied just now. What are you making? I'm currently crafting a wooden mosaic wall, just to see how I do it at it. DIY is a great way to learn by doing. I'm totally obsessed with it. Sarah wants to learn how to make your own wooden mosaic wall? Sure. Alright, I wrote down all the details right here. It should be easy for you. Give it a try when you have the time and materials. Bloop. Sold. Who bought it? Frets. Who's Fret? Now I am curious. I'm looking it up on my phone. It's a dog. Oh my gosh. I sounded really disappointed there, didn't I?